Uy, kakanta na.
Happy birthday, okay?
Maganda yan. Ay, may ngayon. Okay. Game, game, game.
Okay, I'm gonna open. You ready, guys?
Lights on, lights off. Lights on, lights off. Sina. Sina. Ay, may ngayon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Surprise yan! Surprise yan!
Galing cutie eh.
I didn't know. It's for me.
Kaya nga surprise!
Sa'yo ang inumin.
Open naman!
Ate victim pala ako
Captain! Surprise yan!
Wala? Walang
Adios.
party?
Adios, adios.
Thank you.
See you,
Thank
see
you, thank
you.
you, thank you.
Ayaw magpa-party. Surprise!
Kaya pala wala si ate.
Ito na, ate.
Wala akong kasalanan dyan. Ay! Bigay ng friends and family.
Grabe naman.
Yay!
Bigay ng friends and family.
Yay!
Parcel.
Yeah!
Oh, bubuksan na yan. Bubuksan na yan. Surprise!
Ano, G?
Iiyak na yan.
O, bukas!
Sino
Baka
yung
pa nawiiyak.
Bukas na!
Kasi parcel pala.
Open it! Open!
Ay, oo.
Ang dami naming take? Ang daming take, G.
Grabe! What is this? What is the meaning of this?
Paano ko bubuksan?
Oh, G.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, pinahirapan! Wala akong wala akong
Wala ba yun?
hindi ko kaya!
Ate, may story to. Nung birthday ko, 10 and a half. 11 na!
I know!
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Si Gina.
Chinyo na! Hindi ko kaya! Chinyo na!
Ha?
Wala?
Uy, naku. Panda.
Sorry naman ha, aga kasi na ito eh. Bakit pas? Hindi na pinag-usapan natin! Sige nga, tignan mo nga! Ano ba naman? Tignan nga natin, pakita mo sa kanila. Pakita mo sa kanila. Pakita mo sa kanila. Pakita mo ng picture. Hindi mo dumarating eh.
Prito mo na.
Hindi ko na-expect eh.
English daw, G.
It's okay, it's okay.
Thank you, guys.
It's okay. Speak Tagalog, I
No,
can't
no,
hear
no,
you.
no, no. Thank you, guys.
Iiyak na yan.
No, I can't hear Tagalog.
Iiyak na yan.
You know, when emotion hits, you have to speak the easier language. you understand?
Yeah, thank you, guys. We can come without ice anymore.
Nag-gas na lang.
Picture naman.
Oh, Jean, ikaw na.
Especially ako.
Oh!
Actually, yun naman yun.
Bakit? Bakit?
Ah.
Ganun na lang yun? Aalis ka walang paalam, oy!
No, pero seriously, thank you kasi syempre, I've been charging the floor for what? Over a year. Over a year. So really good teammates, good department.
Hindi
Lalo
yata-
sila ate sa day.
Hindi yata good yung
Lalo.
teammates mo, kaya ka
Thank you.
Ay, Gina. Nag-break fluid ka nga.
Thank you for keeping up with me for the last over a year.
Giving up on you.
Keeping up. And then, surprise na naman. Thank you. Miss ko, for sure.
Nakatalawa na si
Ah.
Nakadalawa
Miss you
na
too,
ako.
Mr. Congeniality.
Ah.
I miss ko lahat. Everybody. I will miss for sure.
Si Lola.
Naka-video nga ako.
May ebidensya.
So, yun lang. Thank you.
Yung paluwagan natin.
May sama!
Ang dami ko na na-invest dito, guys, ha?
Ako na dalawa na.
February.
Wala na, ha?
Ay, patay na naman ko na. Paharap dapat, G. Happy birthday. Oh, gato naman. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Harap natin.
Happy birthday, dear Ron.
Wish na ako.
Make a wish.
35.
Nag-wish ka?
Oh, kagabi pa.
Magkapatay ko, te.
Farewell to you, my friend.
Ay, naku, ano ba yan?
Each other
Huwag na
again. Don't cry.
Ate, wag mo.
Of everything.
Mayakin pa naman ako.
Miles away. Nasa baba
Hoy,
na
kayo
po.
ah.
But here's where my heart was to stay with you, my friend.
Oh, tito
My
lang.
friend, with you.
Iyakin pa naman ako.
Wish ko. Ano yung wish
Yesterday's
ko?
a treasure, today is here.
Iyakin na.
That's me.
Yo! Hindi, ganyan ka, G. Ganyan.
There. Solo na pa.
Ah!